So, hello everyone, welcome back to the Codersarts. So, in this idea series, we are going to discuss about the one more idea, which is called as the Enhanced Security Token App UI idea. Okay, so it is basically it is a type of app that we can create a security token from passing one screen to the another screen, and when we pass through one screen to the another screen, we are just storing it in a shared preference. So, let's move to the technical information over here. So in this technical implementation, we are going to implement about the utilization of CR Preference Manager for the data management. First of all, we are creating a CR Preference Manager class and we are going to use it. So implementation of the custom adapters, layout and list view and the customizable, which can be a list view customization. So we can do some customization in the list view that we can learn in this technical implementation. So integration of XML layout with the proper styling and resource uses. Okay, so we are using some resources files and also we are using the proper styling. So handling of date and time formatting is an accurate timestamp representation. So we are just storing a timestamp and rendering it in the UI. So we are also using the timestamp representation. So in the application, we are using the proper comment and documentation for the code clarity and the maintenance. So we are also adding some comments and some documentation as well for the code clarity, and so that we can just provide it to as a documentation of the our project submission. So if you have any other type of project, so we are also do the proper comments and documentation for the code clarity and the maintenance purposes. So let's move to the demonstration thing. So we are going to live demonstrate the project, what the project is actually going to work. So let's move to the studio and open this. So this is the application. Whether you can see, we have the edit text. We can just enter this passcode here, a 5-digit passcode. So when the second is we can see that second is decreasing. So when it is decreasing and move to the zero, it will again start with the 60 second with a new pass token. Okay, you can see here the 6-digit passcode is generated for the 58 second of the time limit. So every 1 minute we are going to change this passcode randomly with the 6 digit to 5 to 6 digit, and then after when we enter this passcode in this edit text, we are just 157270. Okay, so just click on verify. You can see here is the our timestamp. We can getting it to 12:46 and 25 second, and we can see when we click on back, we are here, and let's enter it again. When we click on verify, we have get another timestamp, like the person is able to log in or not. We are using it in managing it in a shared preference. So we can see here is 9 second remain also. So we can just click on verify, and we have 3 more timestamp when the passcode is correct. So when we click on pass, everything in the shared preference will be clear and we have no data found here. So let's click on pass. Here all the data will be clear, and just go back. You are entering 158.515. Okay, so let's verify it. You can see, yeah, only one timestamp is going to swing here. So this is the product of the security token app we have created. So thank you everyone. If you have any project idea or any assignment or any final year project, you can just drop a mail with contact at Codersarts for the help. So if you need any further assessment or any you have any coding project or any Android project, so you can just contact us. Thank you so much for being with us.